handling wild birds, we need to be careful. Their wings can be very delicate.
Oh my god, there is something.
Whoa. That's really crazy.
Shit. Oh, it's a fat. It's like a massive one.
It's in the Frosties.
Shit. We got.
Yeah, I'll let it out.
How get?
I'm gonna catch it with something.
Wait. No, hold on. Wait, mate. There might be a danger. I don't know, like magpies.
Give it a kiss, give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
No, it can peck me. Da da da.
Don't mess around. Let it go.
It's shiny. What kind of bird is it?
Huh?
Oh, birdie.
Let it
Right.
go, Jace.
Well, kill it then.
Put it outside.
Ah! Fly free! Fly! Ah! It's straight into the fence.
Wow.
The heroes.
Yeah.